Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And hello, I'm Rob.
Rob, what's the smell? Are you cooking something?
Yes, it's my favourite. Roast beef. Yummy.
Roast beef? This isn't really the time to be cooking.
Well, you said let's do roast today, so I thought I'd make a start. Just got to do the roast potatoes now.
Rob, stop. I meant let's do the word roast.
Oh, right. Well, this is a good example of roasting.
No, Rob, it's not the meaning I had in mind. Roasting is not just about cooking food in an oven. We can roast people by criticising them harshly. So, Rob, you were very foolish to start cooking something while we're presenting a programme.
Oh, am I being roasted now?
You sure are, but you're not alone. Here are some examples.
We had to roast the teacher after she was seen shopping when she was supposed to be off work with flu. After my PowerPoint presentation froze during an important meeting, my boss gave me a roasting. She was roasted by her friends after she posted pictures of herself on social media showing off her amazing suntan.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the word roast, which means to criticise severely. I'm sure you're used to being roasted, Rob.
Well, if you mean I am hot and smell delicious, then I am very roasted.
Excuse me?
Feifei, another meaning of roast is to tease someone in a light-hearted way or give a funny comeback when someone tries to humiliate you.
Oh, but hold on, Rob. I can smell something else.
Oh no! I left the oven on! Oh, and now the food is burning! Oh, help!
Rob, you are really stupid and you can't cook either.
That's me roasted. Bye!
Bye.